Hello lovely people, Sarah here from the Crazy Foursome, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to spend absolutely nothing on groceries this entire week while still feeding my family of nutritious, delicious meals. Now, before you think I've lost my mind or have been surviving on air and water, let me tell you, this is completely achievable, and I'm going to break down every single method I use. This challenge started when I looked at our weekly grocery bill last month and realised we're spending over $200 per week on food. That's over $10,400 a year just on groceries. So I decided to put my sustainability knowledge to the test and see if we could eat well for an entire week without spending a penny. The first strategy I used was harvesting from our allotment and garden. As you know from following our journey, we've been growing our own vegetable for years now, and June is absolutely the prime time for harvesting. I collected fresh lettuce, carrots, potatoes, herbs, etc. The value of what I harvested this week could have cost me at least £25 at the supermarket, but because we planted these seeds months ago, they're essentially free food now. But here's where it gets really interesting. I also used food that was already in our pantry and freezer. Most families have enough food stored away to last at least a week, but we never really think to use it strategically. I found rice, tinned vegetables, frozen vegetables and meat that had been sitting there for a while. By doing a proper inventory, I realised we had enough ingredients for multiple meals and snacks, etc. Now let's talk about the financial impact. Our normal weekly grocery bill is around $200, so by spending zero this week, we saved this entire amount. But the real value is in the skills systems we've developed. If we could do this just once a month.